In this lecture, we will discuss about ICMP, Ping and HPing tools. So, you need to understand what is a Internet Control Message Protocol, that is ICMP. Objective of ICMP is to communicate errors and operational information about the network. So it is a network protocol used to communicate errors and operational information. Let us now discuss what is an ICMP echo message, which is also known as ping. Echo request is a message sent from one device to another device on a network, asking the receiving device to send back an reply message. So when a device receives an request message, it sends back an reply message to the sender. On the basis of reply message, sender can calculate the round trip taken for the request and reply message, and that can be used to measure the network latency and connectivity. Let us now understand what is a HPing. HPing is a more advanced tool that allows the user to send the custom packets with different types of protocols and flags, and can analyze the responses received from the destination host. So now let us understand some standard commands for HPing 2 tool. One, it sends the ICMP echo request. 2, it sends the TCP packets. Command 3 is used to send the UDP packets, and command 4 is used to send the raw IP packets. So 1 is for echo request, 2 is for TCP, 3 is for UDP, and 4th is for raw IP. So this we need to remember for our CEH exam. Let us now do quick recap of what we learnt in our last slide. So what should be the command for raw IP packets? Your answer should be 4. What should be the command for echo message or ping message? So this is the simple message, and command should always start with 1. Then we have TCP, and the command for TCP is 2. And lastly we have UDP, but obvious only command left is 3. So these are the commands for HPing tools. Okay, so what is the command for ICMP echo ping in HPing 2? We already discussed this. HPing 2 command is 1, and then you need to write your domain. What is the command for TCP packets in HPing 2? TCP is option 2. Now question is about UDP. UDP is option 3. That's all for this lecture. Thanks for watching. If you like this video and want to access the full CEH course, please do check the link available at the description.